स्वागत है आपका शॉर्ट हैंडियंस गॉट इट चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आ जाएं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। लेटेस्ट डिक्टेशन और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम पे आपकी डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू सो मच।
Start. It is also relevant to indicate that the appellate court, while allowing the special appeal, even though at that point of time the mother of the petitioner had not been acquitted, keeping the equity in favor of the petitioner, had passed an order by which a direction was issued to the respondents to consider the claim of the petitioner for compassionate appointment, full stop. It is also apparent from the record that while allowing the appeal, the appellate court was conscious enough that considerable time has lapsed, but in spite of this fact that the mother of the petitioner had not been acquitted at that point of time, the appellate court had directed or consideration of the appointment of the petitioner on compassionate ground in place of her mother, full stop. Therefore, at this stage, taking the view that substantial time has lapsed and on the basis of law laid down by Honorable the Apex Court in Umesh Kumar Nagpal in bracket Supra, the claim of the petitioner cannot be considered, cannot be sustained, full stop, para. The records clearly indicate to this court that earlier writ petition number 7638 of 1995 was filed by the mother of the petitioner, which was allowed on 23/2/1998 with direction to give her compassionate appointment on class 4th post, full stop. The respondents did not comply with the same and preferred special appeal number 1384 of 2009, which was also allowed on 9/9/2014 with a specific observation and direction for consideration of the claim of the petitioner instead of her mother for compassionate appointment, full stop. Therefore, at this stage, the respondents cannot take plea that substantial time has lapsed in between, full stop. Therefore, on this ground, the claim cannot be rejected, full stop. The respondent authorities are not empowered to substitute their own view over the judgment of the division bench, full stop. Either the respondent authorities should challenge this point before the division bench, or they should file recall application, or they should approach Honorable the Apex Court in this regard, full stop. But as the respondents have not adopted any of the aforesaid step and has not filed any appeal against the aforesaid judgment of the division bench, it is binding on the respondent authorities and they cannot substitute their own view over it, full stop. Every case has its own facts and circumstances, full stop. In this case, the mother of the petitioner has suffered double jeopardy, full stop. Her husband was not only murdered, but she was also falsely implicated in the murder of her husband, full stop. Her husband was murdered on 4/5/1994 and she was honorably acquitted on 24/11/2014, full stop. It has shaken the conscience of the court that how she could have maintained her family and proved her innocent in the criminal case for the murder of her own husband, full stop. The division bench, considering the facts and circumstances of the case and extreme difficulty faced by the mother of the petitioner, taken a sympathetic view and directed the compassionate appointment of the petitioner full stop. Non-compliance of the order of the division bench without being raised before Honorable the Apex Court can be said to be contemptuous, and it is not open to the respondents to defy the same full stop para. In view of the aforesaid facts and circumstances, the writ petition is allowed full stop. The impugned orders are set aside full stop. At this stage, it would not be appropriate to remand the matter for fresh consideration full stop. This court, in the interest of justice, is of the considered view that the respondents should follow the judgment of the division bench of this court dated 9/9/2014 as it has attained finality without being raised before Honorable the Apex Court full stop over.
तो दोस्तों इसमें कोई नाम वगैरह तो आए नहीं थे, 110 की लमसम स्पीड है ये, ओके। और डिक्टेशन लीजिएगा और कोशिश अब ये रहेगी कि अब डिक्टेशन बीच में गैप ना हो, ओके। और पंजाब वाले के लिए भी रेगुलर हम डिक्टेशन डालने की कोशिश करेंगे, ठीक है, कुछ दिनों से, ओके। तो इसको लीजिएगा और लेके बताइएगा। और पंजाब वाले भी जो तैयारी कर रहे हैं वो भी सीनियर स्केल वाली जो तैयारी कर रहे हैं, लीगल मैटर है ये, और इस पे भी हाथ चलाइए क्योंकि लीगल मैटर लगभग सब जगह एक होते हैं। डेजिग्नेशंस, पोस्ट्स, जजेस, सब के टर्म्स जो होते हैं लगभग सब जगह लीगल के एक ही होते हैं, क्योंकि अकॉर्डिंग टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ही तो रूल्स होते हैं। जो भी जजमेंट्स वगैरह आती हैं वो सब जगह लगभग सिमिलर होती हैं। टर्म्स चेंज होते हैं, लोग चेंज होते हैं, प्लेसेस चेंज होती हैं, नाम चेंज होते हैं, लेकिन मैटर वही होता है, ठीक है। इसलिए ये मत सोचिएगा कि वहाँ का लीगल मैटर अलग होता है, यहाँ का लीगल मैटर अलग होता है। लीगल मैटर होता है, चाहे वो क्रिमिनल हो चाहे सिविल हो, ठीक है। तो उसको लीजिए और मिस्टेक्स बताइएगा, कैसा लगा मैटर ये भी बताइएगा। बहुत गैप हो जाता है इधर बीच, ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा हेक्टिक हो गया था, इस वजह से नहीं डाल पा रहे थे, लेकिन इसको लीजिए और बताइएगा कैसा लगा डिक्टेशन, और आगे भी हम कंटिन्यूटी बना रखेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय। लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा, बाय बाय।